Hello, hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, differentiation, application of differentiation in chapters. So, application of differentiation, application of derivative chapter. First, 6.1 exercise. So, 6.1 exercise is here is find the rate of question. First question is here is find the rate of change of area of circle with respect to its radius r when r is equal to how much 3 centimeter and r is equal to 4 centimeter. So here is first of all area of circle, again radius. So solution, here is rate of change of means d by something, so dx by dy by dx, this is a rate of change of, or distance ds by dt, distance divided by time, this is also rate of change of. So this is find the area means what, area is equal to area of what, circle, area of circle is equal to how much, pi r square. So pi area is equal to pi r square. And next is r is what, r is a, here r is a radius. So rate of change of what, so here is one function, only one area function, another one is radius function. So differentiate with respect to what, differentiate with respect to r, because here is only one function, that's why with respect to r. So dA divided by dr is equal to pi, as it is d divided by dr into r square. So dA divided by dr is equal to pi into differentiation of r square means 2 into r. So this is your answer. But here is condition is, first one is r is equal to how much, 3 centimeter. So dA by dr is equal to 3 pi into 2 into r. R is equal to how much, 3, 6 pi r. So area means centimeter square and radius means centimeter. So centimeter. Again second one is what, so r is equal to 4, again dA divided by dr is equal to pi into 2 into 4, so 8 pi centimeter square into cm, centimeter because radius is centimeter and area means centimeter square. So this is your first answer, means first is area of circle is equal to pi r square, formula you take differentiation with respect to r, and 2 pi r, here is r is equal to 1 times 3 put 1 times 2 puts, so this is your answer. So second question is, the volume of cube is increasing at the rate of 8 centimeter cube per second. How fast is the surface area increasing when the length of an edge is 12 centimeter? Here is what you conditions first you take. So what are the content is what, volume means this is a 8 centimeter cube per second, one content. Next here is surface area increase, second content. Third one is edge is fourth, third content. So here is three content given. So first content is what, volume. Solution. So volume of cube, volume of cube is increasing, volume of cube is increasing. So v is equal to what, so volume of increasing, but v is equal to what, 8 centimeter cube per second. Here volume is v, again here second is t, so dt by dt, because rate of change of, here is divide form means rate of change of, so dv by dt is equal to how much, 8 centimeter cube per second. So volume of cube formula is what, volume of cube formula is v equal to, so x cube formula, first one. So this is first one. Second one is what, the surface area formula, s is the what, s is the surface area. So s is equal to surface area, surface area formula is how much, so s is a surface area formula, s is formula is 6x square. So right, this is equation number 2. Now next is here what, edge means what, x is the length of an edge, x is what, length of an edge. So here you differentiation equation 1 and 2. Differentiation with respect to x, equation 1 and equation 2 first of all. So now dv by dx. dv by dx is equal to how much? 3x square. Again ds by dx. ds by dx is equal to how much? So 6 into 2 into x is equal to 12 of x. So here is you take the what conditions is, so dv by dt, right? So dv by dt means dv by dt is equal to dv by dt is equal to dv by dx into dx by, so dv by dt is equal to, so dv by dt, so here dv by dt equal to dv by dx, dx by dt, right? Okay, put the value of dv by dt is equal to how much? dv by dt is equal to 8 value. dv by dx is equal to how much? 3x square here. So here 3x square, this values we put, so into dx divided by dt. So dx by dt 8 divided by 3 into x square is equal to dx divided by dt. So one portion. Next is ds by dx enough. So dvs by dt is equal to ds by dt is equal to ds by dx into dx divided by dt. So ds divided by dt is equal to ds by dx is equal to how much? 12x. dx by dt is equal to how much? 8 into 3x square. So 12, 1x get cancelled. 12 into 8, 1 za 4 za. So remaining is 4 into 8 into divided by x. So 32 divided by x is equal to how much? So x is equal to, where is here, x is equal to 12 centimeter because x is a length. So 8, 1 za 1 za 4 za. So 1 za, how much? Answer is 1 za 4 za 4 za. So ds by dt is equal to how much? 4 centimeter per second. Sir, here x is equal to how much? X is equal to how much? So 12, sorry, x is equal to, so 12. So 3 is a 4, 3 is a 4, 8 is a, so 8 divided by 3, this is ds by dt is equal to 4 divided by 3, so centimeter per second. This is your ds by dt. ds means s is a surface area with taken time, rate of change of time. This is your answer. So this is a, so area volume increasing here, here surface increasing at the rate of time is equal to how much? 8 by 3 answer. Next is the radius of circle is increasing uniformly at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. Find the rate at which area of circle is increasing when the radius is 10 centimeter. So solution. First of all, what is, so radius of circle increasing uniformly at rate means radius. So radius is equal to how much? 3 centimeter per second. So dr divided by t, because centimeter with second means dr divided by dt. This is your first one. Second is find the rate at which area of circle. So area of circle is equal to what? Area of circle. A is equal to, area of circle is equal to how much? Pi r square. Pi r square. So r is what? R is the radius. So r is equal to how much? 10 centimeter. So rate is area of circle increasing. So dA differentiation with respect to r. So dA divided by dr is equal to, so pi into r is 2 pi, as it is r square is 2r. So radius is equal to how much? 10 centimeter. Pi into 2 into 10 centimeter. So how much? Pi as it is into 20. So, pi r square. So, radius is equal to how much? area of circle is equal to how much? Pi r square. So 2 pi r is equal to how much? So r is equal to 10 centimeter. So dA divided by dr. So how much answer is 2 pi r into 20. Next is what? So dA divided by dt. dA divided by dt can be written as dA divided by dr. So dr into dt. So dA by dr is equal to how much? 20 into pi. Again dr by dt is equal to how much? 3. So 3 into 20 into 3, 60 pi. So centimeter square per second. This is your area of circle with increasing time. T is equal to how much? 60. Here is first is pi r square derivative with respect to r. So dA by dt, because with respect to here is answer is second in terms of second. That's why dA by dt equal to dA by dt. dr get cancelled and multiplication divide here dr. So dA by dr is equal to how much? This answer. See put, and dr by dt is equal to this one answer here put into 60. So fourth question is an edge of a variable cube is increasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. So 3 centimeter per second. How fast is the volume of cube increasing when the edge is 10 centimeter? So solution what? So first is, so what edge of the edge of the variable cube is increasing at the rate 3 centimeter per second. So edge x is the, again here is how fast is the volume of cube increasing. So when edge means edge is the, x is the edge. Here x is the what? X is a edge. X is equal to how much? 10 centimeter. Here edge of variable increasing means dx divided by, so edge means what? X with respect to what? T. Here is dt. dx divided by dt is equal to 3 centimeter per second. So next is V is the, where is how fast is the volume of cube? So V is the volume of cube. V is equal to volume of cube is equal to, formula is V equal to x cube. So here is dV divided by dx is equal to what? 3x square first of all. Second is 3x square. Here is dx divided by dt means dx by dt can be written as, so dx by dt equal to can be written as, so dV divided by dt is equal to dV dt, here dx, here dx. Finish. So dV by dt. So dV by dt you know? No. So dV by dt equal to, dV by dx is equal to 3x square. dx by dt equal to 3. So 3x square, 3 into 3, 9. 9x square, 9 into x is equal to how much? 10 square. So 9 into 100 is equal to 19. 900. 9 into 100, 900. So dV by dt, V means what? Volume. Volume is always cm cube per second. So dV by dt, volume increasing, volume of the cube, volume of the cube increasing at the time is equal to 900. So here is fifth one question. A stone is dropped into a quiet lake and waves moves in a circle at the speed of 5 centimeter per second at the instant when the radius of the circular wave is 8 centimeter, and how fast is the enclosed area increasing. So here is water means a stone is dropped. एक स्टोन है, उसको हम पानी में अंदर डालेंगे. पानी में अंदर डाले तो ऐसा क्या होता? हमारे को वेव्स होता, राइट? ऐसा क्या होता? हमारे को वेव्स होता. सो यहाँ से लेकर हमारे को यहाँ तक रेडियस है, राइट? रेडियस दिया है. सो वेव्स क्या हो रहा है, मूव हो रहे ऐसा जा रहा है हमारे को, सो इन्फिनिटी तक जाता है, राइट। सो जाने के बाद हमारे को क्या होता है, यहाँ पर एक रेडियस होता है। सो दिस इज अ रेडियस कितना दे हो ना, 8 सेंटीमीटर दिए। नेक्स्ट क्या दिए, अब रेडियस है ना, वो वेव्स है ना, वो वेव्स कितने फास्ट से कितना प्लेस ले रहा है वो एक दिया है हमारे को, स्पीड दिया है। सो दोनों वैल्यू दिया है। सो क्या फाइंड आउट करना हमारे को, स्पीड एरिया बोले तो एरिया फाइंड आउट करना, कितना एरिया कवर करे बोले तो इतना एरिया कितना एरिया कवर करे बोल के लिखना। सो क्या है, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अ स्टोन इज ड्रॉप्ड इनटू क्वाइट अ लेक, वेव्स मूव्स इन सर्कल ऑफ द व्हाट, स्पीड दी है हमारे को, क्या है हमारे को, सो dr डिवाइडेड बाई dt। सो dr डिवाइडेड बाई dt इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, 5 सेंटीमीटर पर सेकेंड। नेक्स्ट क्या है हमारे को, रेडियस दिया है। सो रेडियस r इज इक्वल टू कितना दिया है, 8 सेंटीमीटर दिया है। नेक्स्ट क्या है, हाउ फास्ट इज एनक्लोज्ड एरिया इंक्रीजिंग। सो एरिया इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, पाई r स्क्वायर, राइट। सो डिफ्रेंशिएशन करेंगे अब हम, डिफ्रेंशिएशन विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू, so differentiation with respect to r, so dA divided by dr equal to 2 pi r, pi is constant, r square derivative is 2r। so again हमारे को कौन सा फॉर्म में है, टी फॉर्म में है। सो टी फॉर्म में बोले तो dA डिवाइडेड बाई dt इज इक्वल टू dA डिवाइडेड बाई, सो dt यहाँ पर मल्टीप्लीकेशन डिवाइड dr। सो डी ए डिवाइड बाई डी टी मालूम नहीं है हमारे को, डी ए बाई डी आर इज इक्वल टू कितना, 2 पाई आर। सो डी आर बाई डी टी इज इक्वल टू कितना, 5 सेंटीमीटर, राइट। 2 इंटू पाई आर इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच, 8 इंटू 5। सो नेक्स्ट इज हियर इज 8 5 is 40, 40 इंटू 2 80 pi। So dA by dt means centimeter square per second. So this is your answer. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इज वन स्टोन, सो पानी के अंदर डालते हैं, हमारे को ऐसा 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 सर्कल्स मिल जाते हैं। सो सेंटर से लेकर रेडियस दिया है कितना है, 8 सेंटीमीटर है। सो अगेन उसका रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ भी दिए है 5 सेंटीमीटर। एक कितना कवर हमारे को एरिया कवर करे बोल के लिखना। एरिया इज इक्वल टू पाई आर स्क्वायर, डिफ्रेंशिएशन विथ आर हमारे को टी फॉर्म में लिया है इसलिए डी ए बाई डी टी। सो डी ए बाई डी टी डिवाइड एंड मल्टीप्लीकेशन डी आर हो गया। हमारे को डी ए बाई डी आर मालूम है 2 पाई आर, डी आर बाई डी टी कितना है, डी आर बाई डी टी इज इक्वल टू कितना है, 5 है। सो 8 2 8 ज़ा 16, 16 2 8 ज़ा 60, 16 5 ज़ा 80। सो पाई सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर पर सेकेंड। सो दिस इज आंसर। The radius of a circle is increasing at the rate of 0.7 centimeter per second, the value. Another one is, what is the rate of increase of its circumference। सो circumference का फॉर्मूला है यहाँ पर डालना हम लोग। सर्कल का क्या डालना, एरिया ऑफ सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ सर्कल मालूम है। सो वो फार्मूला हम यहाँ पर अप्लाई करेंगे। सो क्या है, फर्स्ट रेडियस ऑफ सर्कल इंक्रीजिंग। सो डी ए रेडियस बोले तो डी आर एंड डी आर इज इक्वल टू 0.7 सेंटीमीटर पर सेकंड। सो टी बिकॉज सेकंड है इसलिए टी। सो चेंज ऑफ रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ बोले तो डी आर बाई डी टी दिया है हमारे को। नेक्स्ट इज क्या दिया, व्हाट इज द रेट ऑफ इंक्रीजिंग ऑफ इट्स सर्कमफ्रेंस दिया है। सर्कमफ्रेंस बोले तो सो एरिया ऑफ circumference of circle is equal to what, 2 pi r। so this is a c is equal to 2 pi r। so dc differentiation with respect to so differentiation with respect to r with respect to t। so dc divided by dt is equal to 2 pi r, r derivative is so 1, so dr divided by dt। so dc divided by dt as it is 2 pi r 2 pi. So dr by dt is equal to how much? 0.7. So 0.7 into multiplication 1.4 into pi. So circumference of circle here is also 1 centimeter, means this is a centimeter. So centimeter per second. First is area of circumference of circle, formula is 2 pi r. So 2 pi r means what? So here is 2 pi r means what? So 2 pi r, 2 pi r is dc divided by dt with respect to t. With respect to t means dc divided by dt. 2 pi r, r derivative is dr by dt. So 2 pi as it is, dr by dt is equal to 0.7. और ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं, देखेंगे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल dc डिवाइडेड बाई dr, dc by dr is equal to 2 pi. 2 pi again dc by dt equal to, so dc by dr, dr by dt, राइट, ऐसे भी कर सकते. सो dc by dt इक्वल टू, सो dc by dr इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच आता था हमारे को कितना आया? 2 पाई आ गया. dr by dt इज इक्वल टू कितना है? 0.7 आ गया. 1.4 पाई आ सकता, ऐसा भी कर सकते. ऐसा बोले तो ऐसा बोले तो. सो डिफ्रेंशिएशन with respect to r. So see dc by dr 2 pi r. R derivative is 1. So dc by dt can be written as dc by dr can be dc by dt, dc by dt dr. So dc by dr is equal to 2 pi, dr by dt is equal to 0.7. So 1.4 pi answer. The length of x in the 7th question. The length of x in the rectangle. Here is talking to where rectangle. So length of x in rectangle decreasing at the rate 5 centimeter per minute. Here is one values. Again the width of y is the increasing at the rate of 4 centimeter per meter. So x and y here. When the x is equal to 8 centimeter, y is equal to 6 centimeter. Find the rate of changes. First of all is perimeter, second of all is area of rectangle. So given data, what are those? We write first of all. So x is what? X is the length. So x is the length, and so x is the length. So length again, x is the length. X is the length of rectangle is decreasing. So dx divided by dt, because length is dx divided by dt rectangle. So decreasing means minus 5 centimeter per minute. Next, y is the width of rectangle. What? Increasing. So dy divided by dt is equal to how much? 4 centimeter per minute. So x is the length. X is equal to how much? 8 centimeter. Y is equal to how much? 6 centimeter. Means this is a x is equal to 8, this is a y, this is 6 centimeter, right? Now this is, first one is perimeter. So perimeter formula is 2 into x plus y. So dp divided by, both are with respect to what? T. Both are dx by dt and dy by dt. dp by dt is equal to 2 into dx divided by dt plus dy divided by dt. So it implies 2 into dx by dt is equal to how much? Minus 5 plus dy by dt is equal to how much? 4. So minus 2 into minus 1 is equal to, it implies minus 2. Minus 2 is what? Perimeter. Perimeter is equal to what? So centimeter per minute. So first one. Second one is what? The area of rectangle. So area of rectangle formula is x plus x into y. So differentiation dA by dt. So dA by dt is equal to, function is two functions. So function is to first function as it is second function as it is first function, x into, so dy by what, dt, plus y as it is dx divided by dt. So it implies x is equal to how much? Here x is equal to 8. So dy by dt is equal to how much? So dy by dt is equal to 4, plus y is equal to how much? 6. So dx by dt is equal to how much? Minus of 5. So 8 4s are 32, minus of 30 is equal to, so 32 minus 30 means 2 centimeter, so centimeter square per minute. So minute, this is your answer. Means area of rectangle formula, perimeter formula is x plus y2 into, so area formula is, so x into y. So decreasing variable means minus, you take the minus symbol, and here is y, so put the values. So question is, a balloon which always remains spherical on inflation is being inflated by pumping in 900 cubic centimeter of gas per second. Find the rate at which radius of the balloon increasing when radius is equal to, radius is 15 centimeter. First of all, so here is what, so spherical balloon is space, balloon shape is spherical shape, right? So first of all is, so volume formula, v is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 by 3 pi r cube. So r is what? R is the radius here also. So radius r is equal to how much? 15 centimeter also. And radius at the, here is gas per, find the rate at which radius means, so dr divided by dt is equal to how much? Now next is, here is one value, 900 cubic centimeter of gas. So here we write, so 900 cubic, cubic, cubic centimeter per second. Cubic centimeter means this formula cm cube divided by second. This value is what? Cube. Cube means obviously v with respect to what? T. So dv divided by dt. These all are values given. So with respect to dv divided by dr, differentiation with respect to r, dv by dr 4 by 3 pi as it is, r cube derivative is 3 r square. So 3 get cancelled, remaining 4 pi r square. So dv by dt, so dv by dt can be written as dv divided by dt, dv divided by dt. So dt, again here is dr, here is dr. It implies, so dv by dt is equal to how much? 900. So dv by dr is equal to how much? 4 pi r square. So dr divided by dt we don't know. So 900 divided by 4 pi r square is equal to dr divided by dt. So dr divided by dt is equal to, so 1 za 1 za 2 za, remaining is 1, again 2 za, remaining is 2, 225, 225 divided by pi, r is equal to how much? So 15 square, 15 square 225 get cancelled, dr divided by dt is equal to how much? 1 divided by pi centimeter into second. So formula is what? Spherical means what? Volume v is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Here is radius is equal to 15 centimeter. Here r is the radius same. So increasing second, rate at which radius of balloon increasing. So dr divided by dt is equal to how much? So dv by dt is 900 cubic centimeter per second. So dv by dr differentiation with respect to r, again with respect to t. So getting this is answer. A balloon which always remains spherical has a variable of radius. Find the rate at which the volume is increasing with radius in the letter 10 centimeter. So solution here, spherical, volume of spherical. volume of spherical V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, right? First one. So r is what? So r is what? Radius. R is equal to 10 centimeter. So we find the volume increasing. So dv divided by so dr we find, right? So dv divided by dr is equal to 4 by 3 pi as it is, r cube derivative is 3r square, right? 3 get cancel, 4 pi r square. So 4 pi r value is equal to how much? 10 square. So 4 pi 10 square is equal to 100, means 400 pi centimeter cube per cm dr value is. So this is your answer. Only here is r value put, spherical volume of spherical means 4 by 3 pi r cube with respect to differentiate with respect to what? Differentiate with respect to r. So dv by dr 4 by 3 pi r cube derivative is how much? 3 r square. 4 pi 3 get cancel, 4 pi r square value is how much? R square is 10 square is 400. Question is, a ladder 5 meter long is leaning against to a wall. A bottom of the ladder is pulled along the ground away from the wall at the rate of 2 centimeter per second. How fast is the height on the wall decreasing when the foot of the ladder is 4 meter away from the ladder? This one values consider. This value consider height of the wall. Height where here this. These all are the value you are consider. So wall height wall is how much? Height wall. So this is a wall, right? So first of all is a ladder 5 meter along leaning against wall. So the bottom here is top to bottom. So this is bottom, this values, right? Again ladder is pulled along the ground away from the wall at rate of 2, means this is pulled this type. So how much? So 2 centimeter per second. So these values. Again how fast is height on the wall decreasing when the foot ladder is 4 centimeter. So wall height is equal to, this is Pythagoras theorem, this is 5 ABC. So Pythagoras theorem is Pythagoras theorem is AC square is equal to AB square plus so BC square. So AC square is equal to what? 5 square. So AB is equal to, this is y, this is x. So y square plus x square. This is your equation. So y square is equal to what? So 25 minus x square. Y is equal to what? Under root of 25 minus x square. This equation differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx. So root x derivative is 1 divided by 2 root x. 25 minus x square. Again derivative of under root. Under root is 0 minus 2x. So minus 2x divided by 2 into under root of 25 minus x square. 2 get cancel, minus x divided by under root of 25 minus x square. So this is, so dy by dt, because with respect to t, dy by dt is equal to dy divided by dx into dx divided by dt. So here is from the wall at rate means, so this value become dx divided by dt. Here is, so dx divided by dt is equal to 2 centimeter per second. Again height again this value is 4 is equal to, so x is equal to also 4 meter away from the wall, so dy by dt dy by dx is equal to how much? Minus x under root of 25 minus x square. So dx by dt is equal to how much? Already you know 2. So minus 2x divided by under root of 25 minus x square minus 2 into, so x is equal to how much, 4 divided by 25 minus 4 square minus 8 divided by under root of 25 minus 16, so minus 8 divided by under root of 9, so minus 8 divided by 3, so this value is dy by dt, so consider as plus dy by dt is equal to 8 divided by 3, so centimeter per second. This is your answer. Height to wall of the height at rate at which time. A particle moves along the curve 6y equal to x cube plus 2. Find the point on the curve. Here find the point on the curve at which the y coordinate is changing and as 8 times of as fast as the x coordinate. Here is one condition, right? So solution. So the curve equation is what? The curve equation is 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. Equation number 1. Second condition is to find the what? To find the points. Points means x comma y. Next is y coordinate changes to 8 times of x. Y coordinate is changing to 8 times of x coordinates. So this is equation number 2. So this equation 1, differentiation with respect to x. 6 dy by dx is equal to 3x square plus of 0 means 1's are 2's are. So dy by dx is equal to how much? X square divided by 2, right? So right. So next is, so again equation number 2, differentiation. So dy by dx is equal to 8. Dy by dx is equal to 8. So equation number 3 and equation number 4. Equation 3 is equal to 4. So equation dy by dx. Here is x square divided by 2 is equal to 8. It implies x square is equal to 16. It implies x is equal to plus or minus 4. Means x is equal to how much? Plus 4. X is equal to minus 4. So one times put x is equal to 4 in equation 1 become. So 6y is equal to 4 cube plus 2. 4 cube is 64 plus 2. So y is equal to 66 divided by 6 means 11, 1 point. So x comma 11, 1 point. X comma means 4 comma. So next is equation x is equal to minus 4. Equation 1 become 6y is equal to minus 4 whole cube plus 2. It implies minus 64 plus 2. So 6y is equal to minus 62. It implies y is equal to minus 62 divided by 6. Means another point is minus 4 comma. So 3 is a 2 is a 1 is a means minus 31 divided by 3. Minus 31 divided by 3. The points are how much? One is 4 comma 11. So 4 comma 11. Another point is minus 4 comma minus 31 divided by 3. This is your answer. So the radius of an air bubble is increasing at the rate of 1 by 2 centimeter per second. At what rate is the volume of the bubble increasing when the radius 1 centimeter? So solution. First of all is radius dr divided by dt. Dr by dt is equal to how much? 1 by 2 centimeter per second. And radius is equal to what? 1 by 1 centimeter. V is equal to volume of bubble. V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So dV by dr is equal to, so 4 by 3 pi into 3 r square, get cancel 4 pi r square. So dV by dt equal to dV by dr divided by dt. So it implies dV by dr is equal to 4 pi r square. So dr by dt is equal to 1 by 2. 1's are 2's are. So 2 pi r is equal to how much? 1 square means 2 pi volume is equal to centimeter cube per second. So this is your answer. So first of all is V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Differentiation with respect to r, I can convert to dt. So here is d, here r and t, the value here put, and 1 by 2. So getting answer. So a balloon which always remains spherical has a variable diameter 3 by 2 2x plus 1. Find the rate of change of its volume with respect to x. So solution, volume is equal to V is the volume. Right, V is the volume. Volume is equal to, formula is what? V is equal to volume. Volume of the spherical. Volume of the cylinder. 4 by 3 pi r cube. Here is diameter. Diameter value you know. So diameter d is equal to what? R divided by 2. Right? So r divided by 2. So diameter value is equal to, so diameter values, diameter is equal to d equal to 3 by 2 into 2x plus 1. So we know r values. So diameter is equal to 2r. It implies r is equal to 2 diameter. So it implies d is equal to r divided by 2. So here is diameter means, so radius is equal to, so radius is equal to how much? Here is radius is equal to how much? 3 divided by 2, 1 divided by 2, 2x plus 1. Right? Diameter is equal to, this figure is, so r. So diameter is equal to 2r. Diameter is equal to what? 2r. R is equal to d divided by 2. Here is 3 divided by 4, 2x plus 1. So put the value of equation 1 here. So V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r value is 3 by 4 into 2x plus 1 whole square. So 4 by 3 pi 3 square pi r cube. 3 cube divided by 4 is 4 cube into 2x plus 1 whole to the power of 3. 1 get cancel, 1 get cancel, 1 get cancel, 1 get cancel. Remaining is 3 square 9 pi divided by 16. So 2x plus 1 whole to the power of 3. So value is with respect to what? X. So dv divided by dx is equal to 9 pi divided by 16. 3 into 2x plus 1 whole square. So 3 into 9, 27 pi divided by 16. So 2x plus 1 whole to the power of 3. This is your with respect to dv by dx. Here is diameter means circle. This is whole term is diameter. Only this part is radius. So 2r is equal to d. Question is, a sand is pouring from the pipe at the rate 12 centimeter cube per second. Centimeter cube means obviously dv by dt. dv by dt is equal to how much? 12 centimeter cube per second. Here is cube. Where is cube? There is dv. With respect to second, second is d. So next, the falling sand from a cone on the ground. Cone on the ground in such a way that height of the cone is always 1 by 6th of the radius. Height of the cone is always 1 by 6th of the radius. Right? Next, radius of the base. How fast is the height of the sand cone increasing when the height is equal to how much? So 4 centimeter. So find the dh divided by dt is equal to how much? Here. So V is equal to formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So h is equal to 1 by 6 r. So r r is equal to 6 into h. So V is equal to 4 by 3 pi 6 into h whole to the power of 3. V is equal to 4 by 3 pi, so 6 h cube pi r square pi r cube, so 6 cube into h cube. So only one function, so dv by dh, dv by what, dv by dh, so dv by dh s, so dv by dh is equal to 4 by 3 pi 6 cube 3h square, right, 3h square. Now next is, so 4 by 3 pi r cube 3h, h is equal to how much, 4, so 4h 3 get cancel, so 4 square means, so how much answer is 4 cube, 4 into pi into 6 cube into 4 square, so 16 into 6 6 pi 36 into 6. So dv by dh is equal to this much answer. Now next is, so dv by dt, dv by dt equal to dv divided by dh, dt divided by dh, dv divided by dt, dv divided by dv divided by dt means dh. So dv by dh is equal to how much, okay, dv by dh is equal to how much, 64 pi 36 into 6. So dh divided by dt as it is, dv by dt is equal to 12. So dh divided by dt is equal to 12 divided by 64 into 36 into 6 into pi, 1 za 2 za 1 za 18 za, so 1 divided by 64 into 18 pi. So height is which form, centimeter per second. This is your dh divided by dt. So second is